overview of escalators and how to use them safely. The prominent face of the metro system from a technological development point of view is an escalator. DMRC today stands as one of the largest escalator owning agency in India and the only agency other than escalator manufacturer who carry out maintenance of escalators themselves. As you all know, that station of Delhi Metro are generally of 3 levels, that is ground, concourse and platform, and are above or below of each other by approximately 7 meters. In order to facilitate smooth passenger movement between different levels, escalators are provided at one or multiple locations between these 3 locations. After completion of Phase 3 network, we have more than 1130 escalators. Travelator is almost similar to escalator, but the main difference is that instead of escalator being inclined, the travelator is flat. DMRC has provided more than 26 travelators for interchange between stations Durgabhai Deshmukh South Campus on Pink Line to Dholakua on Airport Express Line and between Pink Line and Blue Line on Rajouri Garden Metro Station. The word escalator is a combination of Latin word scala, which means a staircase, and elevator. Escalator is a power-driven continuous moving stairway meant for transporting vertically in inclined direction. It is helpful in metro station as it significantly reduces the individual's effort to climb, and also it helps in quick entry and exiting of passengers. Escalator can be categorized based on many different items, that is their usage, which is heavy duty or light duty, location of installation, which is indoor or outdoor, number of flat steps they have, 2, 3 or 4, and their working angle from 30 degrees to 35 degrees. Escalators used in DMRC are heavy duty outdoor type having 4 flat steps and working angle of 30 degrees. Escalator side panel can be either glass or steel. Glass escalators are meant for indoor operation and steel panel escalator for outdoor operation. Apart from at least 3 emergency stop switches on escalators, our escalators are equipped with as many as 23 safeties to ensure safe ride and stop escalator in case of any malfunction. Some of the amazing points in DMRC escalators. The tallest escalator in India is 15.65 meters, and 2 such escalators are at Janakpuri West Metro Station, Magenta Line. The shortest escalator in our network is of 3 meters of Raja Nahar Singh Metro Station, Violet Line. The integrated station of Kashmiri Gate Metro Station, that is interchange station of Red Line, Yellow Line and Magenta Line. Another feature of Kashmiri Gate Metro Station is that it has many parallel escalators, that is 2, 3, 4 and 6 parallel escalators. Other bigger stations like Chowri Bazaar, Hauz Khas and Janakpuri West Metro stations also have parallel, multiple and crisscross escalators. Technical parameters of DMRC escalators. All DMRC escalators are bidirectional and it can be changed at any point of time from control panel of escalator. The direction of operation is decided as per station requirement for speedy and safe movement of passengers. DMRC escalators have 2 operating speed for escalators and 1 standby speed. Speed 1 is 0.65 meters per second. It is set on busy stations. Speed 2, 0.50 meters per second. It is set on stations having less footfall. Standby speed of 0.20 meters per second is set so that the escalators keeps running as long as passengers are using it. However, after a certain time when escalator don't see any passenger, it automatically reduces its speed and comes to a crawl to conserve energy. Material used in escalators. The escalator is a combination of more than 150 equipments. The mechanical part is mainly constructed from high-grade steel. Steps made from aluminum alloy. Handrail made from synthetic and PU rubber. Side panels made from stainless steel panels. Floor plate made from steel and aluminum. Passenger guidance and safety features offered in DMRC escalators. In order to ensure a smooth, safe and pleasant ride on escalator, here is some very important information. All the escalators are provided with guiding rules and pictorial for do's and don'ts for safe ride on escalator called Escalator Instruction Board. Instructions are available on both landing points of the escalator. All the new escalators installed in Phase 3 stations comes with automatic pre-recorded announcement while boarding the escalator so as to quickly remind the commuters about 3 very important aspects. Escalators are provided with illuminated traffic lights called direction indicator at both entries. The green light indicates go, the red light indicates no entry. These signals are to be followed like road traffic. Escalator is a moving stair. The point where movement starts, that is yellow color combs, is adequately illuminated by use of comb lights. They help in identifying moving part and stationary part. These lights remain on even when escalator is not operating. Black color brushes on both sides along the entire run of the escalator steps are provided. The purpose of these brushes is to prevent passengers' loose clothing getting stuck in the escalator. The passengers riding on the escalators can stop the escalator in case of any emergency. Such stopping can be done by pressing red-colored stop buttons called emergency stop switch. Each escalator is provided with 3 emergency stop switches installed on escalator deck. The emergency stop switch must be pressed only in case of emergency, as stopping of escalator during running causes heavy jerk to the passengers. Instructions for safe ride on escalators. Always face direction of travel. Always hold the handrail during entire ride. Always place your feet between the yellow lines at time of boarding. Firmly hold kids while riding. Don't travel on escalator with luggage or being barefoot. If feeling uncomfortable to ride an escalator, use lift instead.